Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. As you may or may not know, my brother and I, we have the vast majority of our portfolio in Bitcoin. I'm not a financial advisor, but 2019 into 2020, I believe, is a golden time right now to accumulate Bitcoin. But today, I want to check in on some altcoins, see what other cryptocurrencies have potential. Because that's why you subscribe to the channel, for daily updates keeping you informed on the cryptocurrency market. Like the video, and let's jump in. The number 4 altcoin that I want to put on your radar is Grin. Grin is very interesting to me right now. It's a privacy coin, and while we do have many privacy coins on the market, some may argue too many, Grin excites me because of the tech behind it. Now, I've gone over Grin before in the past when it just came out on the market, and then again about 5 months ago. So if you want more of a deeper dive into what actually is MimbleWimble technology, or more information on Grin, check out those past videos. But again, the difference with Grin was their grassroots fair launch and the tech. Grin uses MimbleWimble technology, which is different, because usually with other privacy coins, when you add encryption to a transaction, meaning when you add privacy to a transaction, that transaction becomes slow and bulky. You're sacrificing scalability for privacy. What MimbleWimble does, it allows you to keep the lightweight nature, that speed of the transaction, while also keeping that encryption, which is new, which makes Grin interesting to me. But like I said, the tech is one, and the no pre-mine, fair launch, highly community-driven aspect of Grin is another. There was no pre-mine, there was no ICO, and the reason that this is important to me is because, in my opinion, this makes Grin way more decentralized than many of the other altcoin competitors. Because there is no CEO to keep half the coins to make sure that early investors get their profit first. If you want Grin, you got to mine it. Or it is actually starting to pop up on some exchanges. What do you think? Right now, Grin is trading at $2.68 per coin, and that's really pretty much close to the lowest we've seen it coming off of this bear market. Now, we could go on and on about Grin, the advantages, but let's talk about the disadvantages. Because on this channel, we'll always give you both the positive and the negative, so you can make your own decision. Honest, transparent reviews. That's why you subscribe. But the first disadvantage that I want to mention is that MimbleWimble technology could be implemented into Bitcoin one day. And if it was, well, how relevant would that make Grin in the long term? Something to think about. Another disadvantage of Grin, this one in the short term, is their monetary policy. Grin's issuance is one token issued every second indefinitely, meaning that unlike Bitcoin, there is no fixed supply. Grin coins will continue to get mined forever. So there could be a huge dilution/inflation in the early years, since right now there aren't that many Grin coins in existence. That's Grin in a nutshell. If you have something to add, let me know down below in the comments. But Grin's number 4. Coming in at number 3 is NEX Exchange's NEX token, currently trading at $2.62. Now, NEX is an exchange coin, like Binance. Built on the Neo platform, NEX is a decentralized exchange. It's a DEX, and the hype around it is that it potentially could be the next Binance. And come on, don't you wish that you would have bought a little bit more BNB when Binance Coin first came onto the market? Anyways, that's the hype. And unlike Binance, these guys are a decentralized exchange, and they're also compliant. Compliant meaning that NEX's token NEX is a registered security in Europe. So owning this coin means that you are entitled to dividends because it is a security, a registered security. It's registered in Europe from the FMA, the Financial Market Authority of Liechtenstein, so there is some security there. And speaking of security, NEX is built by the City of Zion, which City of Zion has a pretty great track record in the crypto space. So what do you think? Again, just use today's video as a jumping off point. We do these videos every month. This is just so you can sort of get an understanding of those altcoins in the crypto space. But let me know what you think. Comment down below. But you can stake this coin, and really the dividends you receive based on staking totally depends on how much NEX you have and other calculations. I'm just going to leave this calculator down below. But if you look at this, if you have 1,000 NEX tokens, your monthly dividends would be over $100. And of course, if you have 20,000 NEX tokens, well, you get the idea. This is dependent on a lot of things. But if you're interested in staking, then I'm going to leave this calculator down below. And if you're looking to get involved, really the only way to sign up right now is through a referral link. They're doing a little referral program giveaway. Other cryptocurrency YouTube channels, they shield their referral link. Nothing wrong with that, but on this channel, I want the subscribers to benefit. So if you have a referral link, feel free to post it down below in the comments if anybody else in the community is interested in some NEX tokens. Could be something. Right now, NEX is trading at $2.62. The disadvantages for NEX and the Nash exchange is that not only is it a new exchange, it's a DEX. It's a decentralized exchange. So what I would need to see to give me confidence is 1, liquidity, and 2, users. Because you can hold as many of these tokens as you want. If the exchange doesn't have users, i.e. liquidity, then they're not going to be worth anything. But again, very new. Time will tell if Nash exchange plays out, but let's keep going. Coming in at number 2 on today's list is Ethereum. Right now, 1 ETH token is trading at $184. Ethereum right now remains the king of the altcoins. And what makes Ethereum interesting to me is if we look at the most recent statistics on dApp.com, going over the numbers, comparing Ethereum to other competing dApp platforms, is that Ethereum continues to have the most market saturation over other, even competing Generation 3 cryptocurrency dApp platforms. As of Q2 of this year, Ethereum still has the most total dApps on their platform. They have the most active dApps on their platform, and they still retain the most developers out of other competing platforms. And for those reasons, Ethereum's looking pretty bullish when the next altcoin bull market starts. And also, Ethereum's pretty much the project that you think of when you think of DeFi, decentralized finance. And I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion, decentralized finance is the future of finance. With DeFi, you can eradicate corruption, you can democratize economy, and you can also democratize the financial system. So there's big potential. The question is, will Ethereum be that DeFi platform that evolves, that's adopted? From a tech point of view, this information just dropped, just came out. This channel's reporting it to you first. But Ethereum coders have approved 6 changes for the upcoming Istanbul hard fork. We've covered these changes before, but I'm going to link all this in the description below if you want to find out what this means for you if you're a tech person. But essentially, what this is leading to is Ethereum 2.0, which is Ethereum is switching to staking. That staking is set for early next year. And if you want to earn some passive income, if you want to stake, the word on the street right now is that you need to hold at least 32 ETH to be ordered to stake your coins. So with 1 ETH currently trading at $180, I don't know, these next few months might be a great time to get your 32. Does that interest you? Do you think that Ethereum has a future? Let me know down below in the comments. But moving on, the last coin I want to put on your radar, you guessed it, Enjin coin. Enjin coin is a gaming cryptocurrency. Enjin coin is a cryptocurrency for virtual goods created by Enjin. Enjin is the largest gaming community platform online with over 250,000 gaming communities and 8.7 million registered gamers. Now, I'm not a gamer. The last games that I got into were Mario Kart and Super Smash Bros. On the N64, on the GameCube back when I was a kid. But gaming for sure is usually the thing to usher in mass adoption. Now the question is, will it be Enjin? From a tech perspective, I think Enjin's promising. What excites me is their interoperability from their Enjin wallet to their ERC 1155 token, which is a game changer. The asset interoperability is a feature that will bring excitement to the gaming community the most. Enjin authored the item standard ERC 1155. This is because users will be able to use assets from other games, other apps, other websites in Enjincraft Server 1. Now this article is specifically talking about Enjin's collab with Minecraft, but in general, Enjin refers to this interoperability as the multiverse, which right now they say is a network of over 30 interconnected games. You know what? I found this talk. This was from a conference, the EDCON 2019, very recent conference. Not that many people have seen it, but I thought it offered a little bit of clarity in terms of what the multiverse, what that interoperability could look like. Check this out.
But what's really cool is, thanks to the transparency of Ethereum and the meticulous standardization of the ERC 1155 token standard that our blockchain assets are created from, the tokens these developers create with our platform are fully interoperable between different websites, apps, games, and any piece of software you can think of. From VR to AI to robotics, the potential use cases are limitless and they can seamlessly integrate into each other. Imagine going to watch Avengers Endgame in the cinema in a couple of weeks and using your Enjin wallet to scan your ticket and automatically receive a free Iron Man token on your mobile phone. Then you return home, turn on your Xbox and jump into a game like Fortnite. And the game reads your blockchain inventory and gives you an Iron Man suit to wear in-game. Then you turn off your Xbox and turn on your PC and log into another game like Apex Legends. And that game also reads your blockchain inventory, and the same token allows you to fly like Iron Man in 2 different games. This is mind-boggling. It's never been possible. It's transformative for not only the games industry, but the entire software development industry. The cryptocurrency, the Enjin coin, appears in your Enjin wallet a few minutes later. You can then trade it for Ethereum or hundreds of other cryptocurrencies without even leaving your wallet. You can also use that Ethereum to buy a PlayStation, call an Uber, or buy a hamburger through the huge number of cryptocurrency payment options already available. This is not some distant reality. The Enjin ecosystem makes this level of interoperability possible right now. We just need more apps, more websites, more games, more innovators to deliver this technology to more users.
Interesting. Very interesting. To me, this is a big green flag from a developer standpoint as well as a user standpoint. But let's talk about a price standpoint, because there's massive speculation right around here when it was rumored that Enjin was partnering up with Samsung. And at that time, you can see, what was it? Enjin coin soared 70% after the crypto partner project says it's a Samsung partner. But Enjin is a project, in my opinion, just to keep on your radar, because this collaboration became official when Enjin was included in the cryptocurrency wallet for the Samsung Galaxy S10. So this is real. And what this means is Enjin coin is now among a few of the supported cryptocurrencies in the Samsung Galaxy S10 crypto wallet. So this does mean that Samsung sees some value in Enjin coin. Like I said, something to keep on the radar, but that's the list. If you agree, if you disagree, let me know down below in the comments. Guys, what did you think of the video? If you appreciate this type of content, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. We drop a video every single day. You do not want to miss one. But have a great day, everyone. And like always, I'll see you tomorrow.